Hello everyone, I have another update for you on the game launcher. I've made some pretty good progress. I found out how to make it so that you can change a color on a element of it, like the background. This tutorial's been very helpful, so this is the link to it. If you want to see it, it'll be in the description. But it's been very helpful for letting me figure out how to do this. This is the code for it. It opens a color dialog so the user can select a color they want, and then it saves it to the application's memory, and then over here, or that's not it. Over here, here it is. Over here, there we go. Whenever you load the application, it goes and accesses the stored color and remembers it. So here you can see I customized it earlier and I made it lime green and it remembered that. But now I can change it to this salmon, super cute color. And then I start it and it remembers. So I think that's really cool. My end plan is to have it be so you can customize each game's panel colors and images individually. But right now I think this is a really good start. Eventually I'll try and move this background color changing thing into the settings menu, but as you can see it's not really fully functional yet. But that's probably going to be what I do in the next episode. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I really appreciate all the support on the last video. It got like 100 something views and I was not expecting that, so thank you so much for the support. It means a lot to me that other people are as passionate about this project as I am. Thank you, and I hope you have a lovely day.